Hey guys! Hello! How are you? Okay, now let's talk about 1978 no mint mark Lincoln penny. Okay, first let's read what is written on the coin. In God we trust. Liberty 1978. Okay, at the reverse of the coin. Okay. United States of America, E pluribus unum, FG, the designer's initial, 1 cent, the Lincoln Memorial. Okay, now let's find out the value or the price of a 1978 no mint mark Lincoln penny. Okay, here we go. The highest price ever paid for a 1978 no mint mark Lincoln penny was $4,259.38. The amount realized in a 2014 auction for a specimen graded MS67 Plus RD by Professional Coin Grading Service. Wow! $4,259.38 for 1978 no mint mark Lincoln penny graded by Professional Coin Grading Service. Okay, that's all. Bye for now. Don't forget to subscribe.